Hello boys and beauties, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who do not know me, my name is Markela Tarrance, and for those of you who do know me, welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing something a little different. I think it's so important to support your community, so I wanted to do a black-owned business haul / review, and I just want to shout out just a few of my favorite small business owners that I personally know. So before we get into anything, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to this video, okay? So let's get right into it. So the first thing that I wanted to show you all is this red hat. This is from one of my favorite girls, my sister, also like a sister YouTuber as well, 00 Styles, aka Octavia. I bought this from her on her website. Make sure you all follow her on Instagram and also look at her YouTube channel as well. I want to say I spent all of $16 on this, but it's so cute. It's so cute and it's so convenient because like when you want to get dressed up, like for the places that you can go, like, you know, patio, restaurants and things like that, like you want to get a little jazzy, and because of the weather, or I guess like the season, they don't have these type of fedora hats. So I was like, oh my god, I needed this. So I did want to show you all how I dressed it up. So I did dress it up on Instagram with a cute plaid skirt and a white Good Hair Day tee and this hat, and it just set the look off. So make sure you check her out, okay? So the second product that I wanted to show you all is the Afro Goddess butter. So you also want to go ahead and follow them on Instagram. So this is for my natural hair girls, or like, you know, if you just want to do a protective style and you want to make sure that your hair has all the moisture locked into it after you do that good old deep condition. Hallelujah, because we all love a good deep condition. If you don't, you're crazy, okay? Because our hair needs that. So this is a black owned natural hair base butter. So basically, like after you do your hair is cleansed, you just put this on here. It locks all the moisture in there, and you can just leave this in your hair, so it like leaves your curls very voluminous. I don't have any pictures of me with this in my hair, but I can say I did put a little bit of this in my hair with this particular sew-in, and I have not scratched my head. You know, usually after a few days, you know, you scratch your head and everything, but I feel like it has all my oils in there and everything that I need. I would highly recommend this. So this is the second product. So be sure to check them out, okay? Alrighty guys, so this is the third product. This is one of my faves. You see me rock her crop custom aka tee. You know, for those of you who don't know me, yes, I am a member of the Alpha Kappa Alpha Sorority Incorporated. So if you are ever in need of any paraphernalia, I would definitely check her out. So the Instagram name is She Chic, and you can also find her on Etsy as well. So I just wanted to show you all this really cute, like this is so cute. So it's like an active wear set. So you can definitely work out in this. It has the aka crop sports bra, and the back is out. The material is perfect and it's pretty stretchy. So I would definitely check them out as well. Here what the pants look like. The pants are super jazzy. So here is the bottom part of the pants, and here is what they actually look like. So I really like these. Like I said, this material is everything. Like the custom with the aka, like who's doing them like that? Nobody. So if you are interested in this, I will also drop their description along with others description down below, so you can check them out. And also, if you are interested in sending me your items and you want me to review it, wear it, take pictures in it, please make sure you check out my email that is in the description box. I have no problem helping other people because we all need help, okay? Because you cannot get up there by yourself. We all need somebody. So do not be hesitant. So make sure you all tell me what you think about this, and let's keep it moving, okay? Alright guys, so this is my final product that I am reviewing. I will be doing this again. If you want me to review your stuff, just hit me up. So this is one of my faves. So the name of this business is The Sisterly Love. Okay, so this is more on our like natural herbal type of vibe. So she actually sent a few things. So let me make sure that I get my lovely handy dandy paper notebook that she gave to me, so I can make sure I'm reading everything appropriately. Okay. So this is the Rose Petal YONI soap. So this soap, well, it's not a soap, it's like a soap. So like you can put this in like your bath. Not only will you smell good, but your skin's gonna feel radiant. So I suffer from eczema, severe eczema, especially when the seasons change. So this natural, anything natural, I'm here for it. Okay. So you need to check out you some Sisterly Love, because she's gonna sisterly love on you. Okay. So I'm gonna show you some of her other products as well. So here we also have the YONI Steam. So this is made with love and natural ingredients. So this is my personal fave because, you know, I feel like it's so important as women for us to really, you know, take care of certain parts of our body. And the steam is everything. So if you've never gotten a, you know, a steam, and you know where, I would highly recommend this because you can use this, like, you can use this for your face as well too. I've actually tried it with my face. It opened up my pores a lot, and it helped with my dark spots too. I definitely would recommend this. I feel like I did it with both, honestly. So if you're really big on energy, how I am, I've been studying, I've been paying attention to my energy as well as the people's around me. This is some amazing sage. So I purchased sage from like my local, you know, smoke shop, but this just hits a little different. Like, y'all, look at how it's made. It's just amazing, and it smells so good. It's just like, you know, this makes me just want to just burn the sage right now. Like I just want to burn. But I mean, it's positive vibes over here. So, but if you're into sage, definitely look into this as well. I cannot really tell you how much it costs, but I will put her information down below so that you can check this out. She also does custom shirts as well. So if you ever in need of a custom tee or anything like that, I would definitely hit her up, okay? And last but not least, we have the Invisible Pink Stone. It smells really, really good. I have put this in like little small spots. I'm not sure if y'all can really tell. I've been drinking a lot of water because it's so hot outside. I put a little bit of this on my eczema, and like, you don't want to smear it a whole lot. Like anytime you have like small breakouts, or anytime I have small breakouts, I do use this. So I would highly recommend you checking this out as well. So these are all of the items for our final product review. I do want to mention, if you are pregnant and you do the YONI vaginal steam, which is amazing for your body, you do not want to do this if you are pregnant. So, you know, if you do decide to check out any of her products, make sure you read the fine print, or, you know, just simply ask questions if you are expecting. I think that's very important. But honestly, I feel like this was a good little haul, and I do have some more goodies coming to you. So I think I'm going to do a part 2 of this for some other things that I've had from some other sister companies, or, you know, just sisters just on their grind. Like, I love seeing women, period, just walking, stepping out on faith and trying to pursue the things that, you know, they were called to do. I'm so for that. Alrighty guys, so these are all the products, including the hat, that I did a review on. I think it's so important as women for us to support one another. There is no way that you can get to the top without other people. So make sure you at least try, you at least give it a chance, and just look at some of the links. Check me out, check out some of my previous videos. Do not forget to follow me on Instagram. It will mean a lot to me. You can also just catch up on all of my other looks. So I love you all. Thank you so much for watching, and be tuned for part 2. Bye.